Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today, whatever I am going to tell that is very precious, very useful in our daily life, and so many our elders also that is compared with gold. What's that? Do you know? Yes, it's the time. In ancient days, how the people know the time? Before invention of watches, so they know the time by observing sun's position, shadows, nature cycles. At the night times, there is no sun. How can they know the time? By observing the stars position. So after invention of the watches are two types: analog watches and digital watches. What is the meaning of analog watch? Analog watch means it has hands. Digital watch means it doesn't have hands. So I will show the analog watch. It is using in our houses, in school premises, colleges. See, this watch is analog watch because it has the hand. Here three hands are there. The small hand is called hours hand. This is the minutes hand. And this thin hand is known as seconds hand. So to move from one number to another number, the minutes hand take 5 minutes. The hour hand will move from one number to another number. It takes 60 minutes. You observe this thin hand, seconds hand, continuously moving. So it complete one round, that is the 1 minute. So 1 hour equaled 60 minutes. 1 minute equaled 60 seconds. So some of the analog watches are field watches, dress watches, diver watches. Do you know how we tell the time? If you know the 5 table properly, it is easy to tell the time. See, there are 12 numbers in the watch. A 12 number here, you keep zeros. 5 ones 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 elevens are 55. Now you see the minutes hand on 12, the hour hand on 3. So tell the time now. First of all, you say the hour hand. Where is the hour hand? On 3. 3. So where is the minutes hand? On 12. 12 means 0. So the time is 3. If the small hand, hours hand on 8 and minutes hand on 3. So what's the time now? First of all, you say the minutes hand, first the hours hand number. What is the hours hand number? Inside number 8. Next, minutes hand number, outside number. How much? 15. 8, 15. For this 8, 15, we also tell quarter past 8. Next, if the minutes hand on 12 and our hand also on 12. Now what's the time? 12 o'clock. If hours hand on 10, it is between 10 and 11, and minutes hand on 9. What is that time? You first of all you say the hours hand number 10. It is between 10 and 11, no? So it will come under 10 only. 10. Minutes hand 9. 9 means what? 45. 10:45. You can say quarter to 11 also. Next, if hours hand on 1, between 1 and 2, and minutes hand on 6. Now what's the time? First of all, you say the hours hand. The hour hand between 1 and 2. That means 1. Minutes hand where it is? On 6. 6 means what? 30. 1:30. 1:30 you can call 1:30. 1:30. So if it is on 3, you say quarter past. If the minutes hand on 6, you can say half past. So in wedding cards or in interviews, in any appointment letters, sometime will be mentioned. What is that means? Suppose you come at 11:30 a.m. The train arrives at 2:30 p.m. Like this we'll write. So what's this one? AM and PM. AM means ante-meridiem. PM means post-meridiem. So when we will say that time AM, we can say midnight to noon, afternoon. So when we say the PM, noon to midnight. Suppose I am going to school. At what time? 8:30. So 8:30 AM or PM? AM. So I am going to lunch at 1:30. So is it AM or PM? So after 12, it becomes PM. So lunch, PM. I am going to park at 4:30 evening time. Then you can, what is this, AM or PM? PM. At midnight 12, what we can say, AM or PM? We can say just midnight. Afternoon 12, it is AM or PM? It's not AM, PM. It is the noon. I am going to sleep at 9:30. Night 9:30. It is AM or PM? PM, post-meridiem. I woke up at 6 o'clock morning. What's it? AM or PM? AM. I'm going to movie in the evening time at 6 o'clock evening. So it is AM or PM? PM. After completion of my function, I came to home at night 11:40. It is AM or PM? PM. Okay. I had my dinner at 10 o'clock. Night 10 o'clock. Is it AM or PM? PM. I went in the morning 5 o'clock to the bus stand for bus. So morning 5. Is it AM or PM? AM. So I hope you all are understand this topic. In next topic, how to convert the hours and minutes we will explain. So to get more information videos, please subscribe our channel, share it and subscribe, comment. So thanks for watching.